Welcome to How to Be an Amazing Wedding MC, tips and tricks so you don't F it up. My name is Gazza and I'm a civil marriage celebrant and wedding MC based in Sydney, Australia. And if you're watching this video, it's probably because you've been asked to be the wedding MC at your best friend's wedding and you're starting to feel a little nervous. And so you should, because statistics show that 2 out of 5 friends suck at being a wedding MC. But fear not, I've organised this course just for you. There are step-by-step guides, amazing templates, and exceptional resources to help you be an amazing MC on the night. The course is broken up into 4 sections. We have the basics, the meeting, preparation, and the big day. All the content in this course is aimed to be inclusive, but it is based around the traditional flow of a wedding, so words like bride and groom have been used, but feel free to edit those out. Whatever your love story, be it 2 brides, 2 grooms, or no binary titles at all, whatever it is, feel free to change to suit. The aim of this course is to save you time and provide you with all the materials you need to be an amazing MC. The bride and groom will absolutely love you for it, and thank you for coming on this journey.